Right now, there's a number sitting inside your bank account that is silently working against you, not for you, against you. And the wild part? Banks want you to never understand this number because the moment you do, they lose money. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's math. It's called compound interest, and depending on which side of it you're standing on, it either makes you rich or keeps you broke for the rest of your life. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at your credit card, your loan, or your savings account the same way again. Here's how it starts. You get credit card, or a car loan, or student debt. It feels harmless. A small monthly payment, easy to manage. But behind that smile, the bank has already run the numbers. And they know something you don't debt doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows on top of itself. This is compound interest. Interest on interest. Let's say you owe $5,000 on a credit card with 22% interest. Pretty normal in America. If you only pay the minimum, that debt doesn't just sit there. It multiplies. In a few years, without you borrowing another dollar, you could end up paying back double what you originally owed. You didn't buy anything new. You just waited. And waiting is exactly what the bank was counting on. Banks aren't evil geniuses in moving. Really good at using time. Time is their biggest weapon. The longer you carry a balance, the more money multiplies in their favor. That's why minimum payments exist. They're not designed to help you pay off debt fast. They're designed to keep you paying slowly for years. It's basically a financial treadmill. You feel like you're moving, but you're not actually getting anywhere. And most people never even see it coming because interest rates are buried in fine print wrapped in confusing terms like APR amortization. Deferred interest words designed to make your eyes glaze over so you just sign. But here's the part. Banks really don't want you thinking about too hard. The exact same force that buries you in debt can also build you wealth. It's the same math, just flipped. If you invest just $200 a month into something like an index fund averaging 8% a year, starting at age 25, by the time you're 60, that isn't just $84,000 you put in. That becomes over $400,000. You didn't work harder. You didn't get a raise. Time did the multiplying for you instead of against you. This is the real secret. Banks hope you never connect. Compound interest isn't good or bad. It's neutral. It's a tool. The only question is which side of it are you standing on? So why don't more people use it the smart way? Because banks profit off a psychological trick. They make debt feel instant and rewarding, but they make investing feel boring and slow. A new phone on a payment plan feels exciting today. Putting $50 into an index fund feels like nothing is happening, but that nothing happening feeling is the illusion, because compound growth is invisible in the short term and unstoppable in the long term. The bank is betting that you'll choose the fireworks over the tree. Most people do. That's not because people are dumb. It's because no one ever showed them the math visually the way we're showing you right now. So how do you flip the game back in your favor? 3 simple moves. 1. Pay off high-interest debt aggressively, because every dollar you delay, there is a dollar compounding against you. 2. The moment your debt is under control, start investing consistently, even small amounts, because time matters more than the amount. And 3. Automate it. The bank's biggest advantage is your inconsistency. Remove yourself from the equation and let compounding run quietly in the background, this time working for you. Banks aren't going to teach you this. Schools barely teach you this. But now, you know it. The real secret was never hidden. It was just never explained simply enough for anyone to actually use it. Now that you understand which side of compound interest you're standing on, what are you going to do about it? If this opened your eyes even a little, hit subscribe, because on this channel we turn confusing money stuff into something even a stick figure can understand.